It is time to assemble our picture frame. So we've been looking at different kinds of lines that we could use in art, and I've done some zigzag lines, and I did a pattern of dots that goes orange, purple, orange, purple, orange, purple, because patterns repeat. I did a loopy line, and I did this cool wavy line. So we're going to use Elmer's school glue to glue these to our picture that we've already painted. So we're going to work with them a couple at the time. I did my orange stick to go all the way across the top. That's why I have two pieces. And of course my name is on the back. So I want to do a thin line of glue down the middle of that stick and then use the top like a paintbrush to wiggle it around. Then it doesn't look like a line, it's spread out nice and evenly, and I'm going to very carefully lay it down along the top edge. I don't want to see any poster board sticking up back there. Then my other piece is going to go right beside it. So I turn it over, I do a long thin line. It's very thin, and then I use the tip like a paintbrush to swirl it around and spread it out. And I'm holding it by the sides of the popsicle stick. And then when I lay it down, I always try to push it down nice and hard so any glue that's going to squeeze out goes ahead and squeezes out. Now I'm sticking off on this side a little bit, so while it's wet I can slide it over so that it's even at the top and even on both ends. Oh, that looks great. Now I'm going to do my sticks that come down the side. So on one side I'm going to have my loopy line, but I think I like it better over here. So I turn my stick over, I do a long thin line. I use the tip like a paintbrush to spread it out. I'm holding it by the sides of the stick, and then I set it down right at the edge and push down so that glue sticks really good. Then I have my wavy line. It's going to go on the other side. I do a long thin line, not too much. Use the tip like a paintbrush to swirl it around and then go right at the edge and push down hard. Then my other stick is going to be in two pieces. I do a long thin line. I use the tip like a paintbrush to spread it around. I'm going to lay down my first one. Then I do my next long thin line and use the tip like a paintbrush to spread it around. And push down. Oh, that's going to look so great. I can't wait to see how yours turns out.